it's here. Oh shit! No, no, no. Oops. Oh well, we can just do it next stream.
Mongrel intruder.
Ah! What the f?
Tarnished, it seemeth.
That was actually kind of creepy.
No!
Yet, my purpose standeth unchanged.
It's the lanky king.
Those stripped of the grace of gold shall all meet death in the embrace of Messmer's flame.
You guys think he's hot? Okay, we'll do one time.
The grace of gold shall meet death in the embrace of Messmer's flame.
Honestly, he's a pretty cool character, I'm not gonna lie. He's a little lanky though. But that's his style, I guess. Look at all his army. He looks good? Yeah! He likes guys? Yeah, I don't care. We're gonna kill him, so... Oh, no. I don't know why. I don't know his moves yet. How do I block again? This one? What? That did not block! I'm so confused. How do you use the thing?
In the embrace.
That one? Did I get hit? I can't tell. I don't know. I've never used this before. Oh my god. His voice is hot. I know! His voice is so hot. It's like very like calm. I can listen to that. Am I jumping by accident? Oh my bad. What? Oh my god, I forgot to change my flask. Back to the red.
Of Messmer's flame.
In the embrace of Messmer's flame.
Guys, his voice is so nice.
What?
Ow! He's so far! Okay guys, I give up on this flask thingy. Let's use Morgoth's sword so then we can dance in fire.
Oh no, I forgot about these bosses that hurt themselves to like get stronger. Please don't tell me they're gonna show this animation.
Ah! Oh my god, I thought he was actually gonna show it.
Oh, okay. I told you he was weird. I knew it. I felt it in my bones.
Okay, what are you gonna turn into? Please don't be a dragon. 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 Please. Or a bird. Please don't be a bird. Please don't be a bird.
Wilt thou be?
Oh yeah, I forgot about his snakes.
In the jaws of the abyssal serpent, shorn of light.
Oh my god, he's Orochimaru.
Embrace thine oblivion, as shall I.
Wait, should I wear this armor because it looks prettier? I feel like I'm like, look, if I do this, it like looks better because I'm wearing something flowy. You know? Don't judge me. I just want to look beautiful, so then I can die in style.
shall I?
That was great. I know, that was so much fun. My 1 HP in a dream.
Honestly, if he did ASMR, I would listen to it. That's how you know a voice is really good.
Will Enna be the only one to match this freak? What do you mean? I'm not into getting choked. This one's on you, buddy. This round was on you.
Oh, hello. Oh my god, you get to see a close-up! Look how beautiful my character is! Ooh! Beautiful! Oh my gosh! Okay, guys, I will focus. No! What a good finish!
Lightless creature, embrace thine oblivion, as shall I.
No! I already knew before he touched me. I love how my brain knows before my fingers. What the fuck? Yo, he's so good! Boo, that was good. That was good, Messmer. Oh my goodness, I'm very impressed. That was so good! He's so cool! Fuck! Oh my god, I got up as he did his second stab.
In the embrace of Messmer's
Ronnie legs. I told you he's not wearing any pants! What? I didn't even get the critical. Hey! Let me finish my critical hit before you. What? Yo, that critical hit better have, like, gone through. Guys! Hello? I got robbed! Just want to heal before the second phase.
stripped of the grace of gold.
Enna just can't handle all of his impaling. You sound like you're 14 and on Reddit too much. Every time he does that, I keep thinking he's gonna attack. My instinct.
Narka.
Oh.
A curse upon thee.
Goodbye, my ASMR love. You were so fun to fight.
Remembrance of the his. Oh, I thought you guys were just calling him the Impaler. Goodbye, my beautiful Messmer. You shunned by mother, and I also shunned by mother.
Yippee! That was a lot of fun. I really like fighting him. I think he's one of my favorite. Like the way he fights is one of my favorite. Always wanted everybody to call me Onechan. I'm gonna get demonetized.